Carlo Cignani was born May 15, 1628, died September 8, 1719. He was an Italian painter. His innovative style, referred to as his new manner, introduced a reflective, intimate mood of painting and presaged the later pictures of Guido Reni and Guercino, as well as those of Simone Cantarini. This gentle manner marked a break with the more energetic style of earlier Bolognese classicism of the Bolognese school of painting. He was also strongly influenced by the genius of Correggio and by the masterworks by Melozzo da Forli. Madonna del Fuoco at Forlì is inspired by the Correggio's frescoes in the cupola of the Cathedral of Parma and by the Melozzo's perspective from down to up. These frescoes occupied Cignani for some 20 years.